Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group organized and prevent members from pinning messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable the pin message feature for group members on Telegram's desktop app, following the latest update. First, make sure you're logged into your Telegram account on your PC. Once you're in, look for the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change group permissions, so double-check your status before moving on. Open your group chat from the list on the left. At the top right corner of the group window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Manage Group. This will take you straight to the group's management settings. Inside the Management panel, find and click on the Permissions tab. Here, you'll see a list of actions that group members are allowed to perform, such as sending messages, media, stickers, and more. Look for the option labeled Pin Messages. To prevent members from pinning messages, simply toggle off the switch next to Pin Messages. This disables the ability for regular members to pin or unpin messages in the group. Only admins will retain this privilege, ensuring that important messages stay pinned as intended and your group remains clutter-free. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window to apply your new settings. That's it. You've successfully restricted the pin message permission, giving you more control over your group's conversations and keeping things tidy for everyone. If you ever want to allow members to pin messages again, just follow these steps and toggle the permission back on. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a more organized Telegram group experience.